National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:47 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Chrysopolis, or near Dolajek, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dolajek, Chrysopolis, White Pigeon, Union, Penn, Montville, Vandalia, LaGrange, Paradise Lake, Calvin Center, Adamsville, Juneau Lake, Donda Lake, Jones, Diamond Lake, Shaybed Lake, Wakely, and Eagle Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan, Cass and St. Joseph.